When it comes to crafting the perfect cup of coffee or tea, many of us seek the ideal balance between convenience and quality. If you're looking for a compact, stylish, and efficient coffee or tea maker that you can take with you on the go, then this Paracity French Press Coffee tea maker is here to revolutionize your brewing experience. Whether you're at home, in the office, or enjoying the great outdoors, this sleek mini French press is designed to bring you the rich flavors you crave with minimal effort. Why choose the Paracity French Press? Ultrafine filter enjoys smooth, grit-free coffee or tea with the stainless steel mesh filter. Captures even the finest grounds or leaves. Heat-resistant glass. Safe and durable borosilicate glass ensures your press can handle high temperatures without cracking or breaking. Multiple uses. This isn't just a coffee press. Use it for tea or froth milk. Make your own lattes and cappuccinos at home. Portable and lightweight. Ideal for travel, camping, or office use, the 11.8 French press is compact enough to take anywhere. Easy to clean. The detachable design and dishwasher-safe components make cleanup quick and hassle-free. One of the standout features of the Paracity French Press Coffee tea maker is its ultrafine filter. The 304 stainless steel mesh is designed to capture even the finest coffee grounds, ensuring that no sediment ends up in your cup. This means every sip of coffee or tea is smooth, full of flavor, and free of any unpleasant grit. The mesh filter also excels in extracting the subtle oils and flavors from your coffee beans or tea leaves, enhancing the overall taste. No more guesswork or disappointment. This French press is built to deliver a consistently delicious brew that satisfies every time. If you're someone who enjoys a well-crafted cup, you'll appreciate the precision this little device brings to your daily routine. Safety and durability are two key features of the Paracity French press. Crafted from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, tumbler can withstand high temperatures without cracking or shattering. Whether you're brewing piping hot coffee or a refreshing cold brew, you can rely on the quality of this French press to handle it. The glass tumbler is encased in a stylish, heat-resistant PP frame. Makes pouring and handling easy and secure. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee and confidently pouring yourself a cup without worrying about spills or burn. Whether you're brewing for yourself or for guests, this French press is as functional as it is elegant. While many coffee makers can be limited in their functionality, the Paracity French press is incredibly versatile. In addition to brewing a perfect cup of coffee, it also serves as a tea kettle and even a milk froth. You can brew your favorite loose-leaf tea or create frothy milk for lattes and cappuccinos, all with one compact device. For those who enjoy trying different types of beverages or want to simplify their kitchen tools, this multifunctional press is ideal. Whether you're brewing in your kitchen or around a campfire, Paracity French Press is ready to go wherever you are. At 11.8 ounces, 350 milliliters, Paracity French Press Coffee tea maker is compact and designed with travel in mind. Whether you're heading to the office, going camping, or simply need a quick and easy way to brew coffee at home, this mini French press is the perfect companion. Its size makes it easy to store in your kitchen cabinet or pack in your travel bag. The portable design ensures you don't have to settle for bland, mass-produced coffee while you're on the go. Brew your own cup anytime, anywhere, and enjoy the flavors you love, no matter where life takes you. No one wants to spend more time cleaning than they do enjoying their coffee. With the Paracity French press, cleanup is a breeze. The whole body of the French press is detachable, making it easy to disassemble for a thorough cleaning. Best of all, it's dishwasher safe, so you can simply toss it in with your dishes and move on with your day. Even if you don't have a dishwasher, the press is incredibly easy to clean by hand. The ultrafine filter won't trap stubborn grounds, and the glass tumbler can be quickly rinsed, making this a low-maintenance option for daily use. Looking for a thoughtful and stylish gift for the coffee lover in your life? The Paracity French press comes in a beautifully designed box, making it an excellent choice for a gift. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just a little surprise for someone special, this coffee press is a gift that's both practical and elegant. Plus, Paracity stands by their product with a 1-year warranty, offering a 100% refund or replacement if you're not fully satisfied. This means you can gift this press with confidence, knowing it's backed by quality and excellent customer service. Conclusion: a versatile brewing solution for any coffee or tea lover. The Paracity French Press Coffee Tea Maker is more than just a simple coffee press. It's a compact, versatile, and stylish brewing solution that makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages wherever you go. Whether you're brewing a rich cup of coffee, a delicate tea, or frothing milk for your favorite lattes, this French press is designed to enhance your experience. Its ultrafine filter ensures a smooth, grit-free brew every time, while its heat-resistant glass and easy-to-clean design make it a reliable and user-friendly choice. Perfect for personal use or as a thoughtful gift, the Paracity French Press is sure to elevate your coffee or tea game. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.